Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur la chaîne. Aujourd'hui un vol entre Lyon et Barcelone à bord de l'Easyjet 4383. C'est un vol réel. Je vais le faire partir à 5h10, donc UTC, donc ce qui fait 7h10 du matin. Le temps est orageux avec pas mal de pluie sur le parcours. Et devrait durer 1h08 en l'air et 1h36 de guette à guette. Pour ce vol, j'utilise le Toliss A319 et l'ATC géré par Sayintentions. On va écouter la TIS.
Formation Oscar 1200 Zulu. Arriving and departing runways 35 left, 35 right. Wind 315 at 6. Visibility 10. Sky conditions, view at 700 feet. Scattered towering cumulus at 4600 feet. Broken at 1000 feet. Temperature 18. Dew point 16. QNH 1014. Transition level 60 advise on course heading, altitude, and if traffic service is requested. Read back all runway and hold short instructions. Advise on initial contact you have information Oscar.
Easy 4383, information Oscar is current. Clear to Barcelona via the Bell 8 November departure runway 35 right. Initial climb to flight level 050. Departure on 120.23 squawk 6445.
Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome aboard Easyjet UK flight 4383, heading to Barcelona. We kindly ask you to take your seats according to your boarding passes and stow your hand luggage in the overhead bins or under the seats in front of you. If you need any assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to any of our lovely crew members, including myself, Caroline, and my colleagues Emma, Lucas and Sophie. Thank you for choosing Easyjet, and we hope you have a pleasant flight.
Syntax clearance, good evening, Becker 001, parking stand 66 with you. We have information hotel, ready to copy Alpha clearance.
Le trafic est géré par LiveTraffic en temps réel.
Easy 4383, pushback approved, face east.
Soid des ports sont ouverts Soid LEGPUOUL ASU EST encore connect. Fates l'incesseur pour que la procédure puisse continuer.
Ok, toutes les portes et trappes sont fermées. Nous pouvons nous connecter.
Ground for Taxi Airline request clearance to Nice Airport.
Easyjet UK departing from Lyon and heading to Barcelona.
Second while I grab
We
the
have Captain
paperwork.
Jean-François M and First Officer Brian at
CDM,
control,
6 Romeo
along
Bravo,
with my
feedback
lovely
correct.
colleagues Emma and Sophie here to assist you. The expected flight time is approximately 1 hour and 10 minutes. Now, let's go over some important safety information. First, to fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tip into the button until you feel it.
Déconnectons le tracteur. Stand-by.
Runway 35 right, Tango Juliet, Tango Alpha 9, cross 35 left, then Bravo 9. Contacting tower on 120.45 when ready for departure, Easy 4383. St. X Tower, Easy 4383, morning, holding short of 35 right, ready for departure.
Easy 4383, St. X Tower, runway 35 right, winds 310 at 6, cleared for takeoff.
departure on 120.23, Easy 4383. Line departure, 4383, morning, climbing to 2000. Line departure, 4383, good morning, climbing to 2000 feet.
Easy 4383, beyond departure, I am not seeing your transponder. Confirm squawking 6445 mode C, ident one more time for me. level 240.
Climbing flight level 240, easy 4383.
Marseille control, descend flight level 080.
Descending flight level 080, EC4383.
Ryanair 26, contact Marseille control on 128.85 mark.
Via control 128.85, Ryanair Bravo 26. Hundred above.
300.
Minimum.
200.
Retard.
10.
Retard. 5.
Easy 4383, contact ground on 122.23.
Switching to ground on 122.23, Easy 4383. Barcelona ground, Easy 4383, morning, we're clear of runway 24 right, ready to taxi to the gate.
Also, it's known for its vibrant culture and delicious tapas. Thank you for flying with Easyjet. Please remain seated until we reach our final parking position. On behalf of Captain Jean-Francois M, First Officer Brian, and the entire crew, we wish you a pleasant stay in this beautiful city. The local time here is 8:36 a.m. If you have a connecting flight, please listen carefully. Flight Easyjet 12:30 to Madrid departs at 9:15 a.m. gate 45, and flight Easyjet 5678 to London departs at 9:30 a.m. gate 50. Thank you.
One Atlanta, Mike 9, click this taxi.